Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Instagram account on laptop. We enter our Instagram profile from the browser. Next, click on More and then on Settings. After that, click on Account Center and then click on Personal Details. After this, click on Account Ownership and Control. Next, click on Deactivation or Deletion and choose the account to delete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now we select the option to delete account and continue with Continue. You may be asked for your password for security. Next, we choose a reason for the deletion and click on Continue. We continue the process, and finally we will see a notice that tells you when your account will be permanently deleted. You can cancel this deletion by logging in before the indicated date. Finish the process by clicking on Delete Account. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.